my name is Ariana. I signed up for this course because I'm really interested to learn about the technology of 3D printing and bring all the creative ideas to come to life. So I find this course particularly interesting because I got to learn about the software of how to design my prototype, and also the different digital fabrication tools. So it was very insightful and I learned a lot. So I would definitely recommend this course to everyone. The instructors were very knowledgeable. They are very knowledgeable and they were very helpful in sharing and explaining and repeating the steps of how to design and how to achieve these things. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Jikyang. Yes. I came for this course because I want to know how much 3D printing technology has advanced since I started to know about it 6 years ago. Well, I must say I'm definitely not disappointed because the trainers are indeed very knowledgeable and have shared many new technology with the class, and it really gives me confidence having acquired this new knowledge. And yes, certainly I will recommend those people who are interested in this 3D printing technology to sign up for this course. It's a good course to attend. Thank you.
Thank you.